Hi there, students. Charisma, an uncountable noun. Charismatic, the adjective. Charisma describes a person who has charm and magnetism. They're attractive. They're easy to like. They have the power to attract and to influence people. He has a lot of charisma and makes a great leader. A charismatic leader inspires the devotion of his followers and is a great asset to the group. So, charisma is a quality that gives a person the ability to inspire and to influence large numbers of people. Mr. Trump, for example, love him or hate him, but he is charismatic. John F. Kennedy was very charismatic, but George Bush had almost zero charisma. So charisma, allure, appeal, charm, fascination, a magnetism, an attractiveness, some sort of glamour, somebody who is spellbinding. Now, you can also use this word charisma in religion to talk about a power or a talent given by the gods. The power to perform miracles, for example. But this is really quite specific. So, if you have charisma, you have the ability to inspire and influence people. But without the use of logic, you don't have to use logical arguments. You just tell them to do it. People have charisma, and this is through their personality, their way of doing things, their presence, their reputation. So I was wondering, either you have charisma or you don't have it. Is it something you can learn? I think probably not. I think it's an elusive quality. So the people out there with charisma, it's very obvious to see them. He's a charismatic news reporter. He's a charismatic actor. Now, your next question, charisma. What about formality? I think I'd probably give it a 5.5 in formality. I think you could use it in an informal conversation, but you could also use it in a very formal document, so nice and flexible there. What about the origin? Well, it comes from ancient Greek. Charisma, meaning grace, favour, a gift, a don. And the idea of this is somebody who is favoured by the gods. The gods favour them and give them a special ability. So somebody who's charismatic, somebody who has this undefinable quality of charm and magnetism. They make great leaders, people who are charismatic. So there you go, charisma. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Charisma.